you guys. How's it going?
We're good. We're
Pretty
so
good.
excited.
Good.
My 24th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Absolutely. What are you guys doing to celebrate this birthday?
So, we are jumping out of a plane
What? Yeah, you guys. Right on. Daredevil family. I dig it.
together. Daredevil family.
Cool. I used to skydive with my dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you excited, Daddy?
See, I cannot be as excited as you are.
Oh, that's true.
Okay. All right, guys. So we're going to go up to 12,500 feet. We're going to jump out, fall at terminal velocity, 120 miles an hour.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Have you guys ever been that fast before?
Never.
No?
I'm scared.
Mixed emotions.
Mixed emotions. Okay. Well, Street for Earth. Here we go. 120 miles an hour.
You got this.
Yeah, you know, big deal.
Daddy-daughter power.
Yeah.
We got this.
After that, I think
I think
we got it.
we got it. We got this.
I got one question, guys. Are you ready?
I am.
That's what I wanted to hear. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
That's right. High five. High five. I'll check in with you guys later.
All right.
Woo!
Anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take one way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it up? You want to all the Bentley, the cash, ride the boat. I no fit die for nothing. What's it up? You want to all the Bentley, the cash, ride the boat. I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money,
What did you just say?
Honestly,
That was the best thing you've ever done in your entire life?
best thing I've ever done in my entire life.
Yeah, girl. Give the girl, the myth, the legend, the girl that just saved your life a big old hug. Come on.